Hi guys, very much nice to see you, and let's talk about this very interesting problem with matches. How can we make fish moving in the opposite direction? So the fish is moving to the left, we should make it moving to the right. And we can only touch and move 3 matches, no more. 3 matches, and we have to change everything. First thing we can try to do is just to reorientate fish like that, but obviously in this case we have to move more matches. These matches we have to also change. It doesn't work at all. What else could you think of doing? We could try to move it downwards, but basically moving downwards like this would not move it really. Again, with 3 matches. Would not change the situation with 3 matches only. That's why what to do, how to do. The key to solve this problem is to think of using most of matches which already we have without moving. What kind of matches could be, let's say, the foundation of a new fish swimming, moving to the opposite side? Okay. What I could see here is using this 1, 2, and 3 matches as a body of a new fish. New body of a new fish. It almost fulfilled. It's almost ready to be a body of a fish. I can touch something like this and move it upwards here. Okay. And now what do I see? If this is body of a new fish, then it has already those matches in its place. Yeah. Of course, we have to move all the stuff a little bit downwards. Now, second match to be moved is here. Works, right? And third match to be moved is here. Also works. So again, what is the key? What is the hint? To keep as many matches as possible on its place, considering it's already a new fish, not the old one, okay? Now we have it. How could we make it? Fish really started moving in the opposite direction, in the right direction, after moving only 3 matches, replacing only 3 matches. These kind of problems can really help us to develop our brain, to develop our imagination of doing things, because in many cases, even scientific problems could be solved by rearranging the data we have initially, using what we have, but rearranging it in various ways. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions what kind of problems to go over, please leave a comment, and see you soon. Bye-bye.